assistance of impact driver technology to crimp 30 to 24 gauge round duct and stovepipe. No setup or adjustment is needed. Just chuck it up and crimp most every type, size, or thickness of stovepipe or duct pipe, including spiral duct, fast and easy. With the pipe seam in closed position, start the crimp to one side of the seam by gently tugging the driver trigger and angling the turbo crimper onto the metal edge. Walk the crimper around the pipe circumference, and then angle off the metal as the turbo crimper nears the other side of the seam. The turbo crimper impact is 5 times faster than manual crimping, based on actual field trials. It works with the impact driver in forward or reverse, so it's comfortable for right or left-handed users to operate. The end result is a tight-fitting, self-supporting, leak-proof connection. Save time, save money, without the sweat and strain. This handy little accessory is a must-have for every HVAC installer and stores in a ready pouch or bag when not in use.